What's up, peeps?
Demo trade only.
All right, what do we got going on? Definitely not a financial advisor. That statement is true. I see nothing. What is this, going straight up? What has all my stuff been doing? Hold on. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, everybody on Twitter and Twitch. What's up, TikTokers? Goes the clockers. Morning, Ray. Let me get this set up. Good morning. Hope everybody had a blessed night and a good morning so far. What on earth are we doing? What on earth? Tom Cruise. Nope. We need to go over to here. We need to search. We need to go to safetytrade.com. What? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Where is my live? My God, who the hell is that clown? Sorry, I got taken away there. All right, let me put this down here, move this down here, turn this on. Boop, boop. There we go. All right. All right, let's make some. I see no trades. NQ is to the 10-second. Let me go to the NQ 10-second. Hold on. What's going on? Buy stop 10-second NQ. Buy stop 5-second NQ. Buy stop 15-second and 30-second NQ. How the hell is this possible? What's going on here? 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell. What are we forming? What is this? 10-second buy stop to the blue line. Let me just hit this right here. And what's going on? Why is NQ1 not higher? Yeah, NQ1 too. Buy stop 10-second NQ1. Hold on. I got to get this shit done. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. But those are the two. Yeah, there you go. You just made money. There we go. There's the real money. There it is. There's the real money sound. Listen to the money talk. Money talk. Stream location, baby. Soon to be Ohio. Soon to be St. Thomas. Soon to be Las Vegas again. Woohoo. All right. So those buy stops are in the money. The buy stops are in the money I just called.
Demo trade only.
Thank God for that. Now, what's going on with my actual trades, though? Because it seems weird to me. 134 and 89. Well, I'm going to go ahead and say that went up. This is nice. These are the only 3 trades I have open in the account right now. I might trade open with you, but we only have like 9 minutes and I'm ill prepared. This trade, gold, $579 an ounce. US 30, 897 pips. US 30, 1,340. So 2,680 pips on this trade. 890 pips on this trade and $570 an ounce on this trade. Pretty good. I'm going to go with that as real good. So we're going to go ahead and say this is definitely still up. Buy stop again. Buy stop again. This is probably a 5-second buy stop on NAS. It is. Buy stop again on NAS and NQ1. Right here. This is a 5-second buy stop. We need a pullback or we ain't getting no trades in for open. I'll tell you that much. All right. Who do we got? Where do we got them? All right. Let's see people on TikTok. Good morning, Super Z, Michelle Glowinski, Techman, Ray, Julius, Annie Apple, Dill, Texas Golfer, Lazarus, Andrew, Frejo, Halid, Nadal, Adri, A-D-R-I, Frame X God, Brian Burr, Ryan Marcus, Hijab Queen, Rashashman, Yazabel, Leftinschuk, One Hider, Elver Galago, Joe Biga. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on YouTube. What time is it over there on YouTube, though? I don't know. I'm assuming the 9 is correct. Yeah, let me go back. Wow, we have a lot of people here. Really? Who the hell's here? What time is this? 9:18, 9:17. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Techman. Good morning, Ken Louder. Good morning, Marley Mar. Good morning, John Park. What's up, John? Good morning, Guy Romero. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, boarding on flight to Vegas. Have a safe flight, John. Pray for a safe flight for you. Already caught my pips. Nice, John. Probably paid for his trip already. Good morning, Orlando Walters. Blessed morning to you. Bit Miller. Good morning, Bit Miller. Kirk Brown, Michelle Glowinski. Thanks for being on both. Good morning, Sog and George Hyde and Amy Lou and Kim the Candle Envy Lady. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Glow. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, George Strait. Can you pull down the what? I don't know what he's talking about. Looks like you're only showing the trades that you are on and profit. Oh, let's take a look. Oh, pull down my thing? No, that's my trades I'm in profit. What are you talking about, George? No, that's my trades. These are the only trades I have open. What are you talking about? George, that's a bullshit thing. I'm going to give you a pass. Looks like you're only showing the trades that you're only in profit on. Oh my God. Jared, run far away. Hey, Jared, welcome to the show. I am glad that you are here, and I'm glad that you're blocked. George Strait, this is my profit. This is my trades. This is how much. What are you talking about? Looks like you're only showing. George, I'm going to give you a free pass on that, but you need to apologize. Go in and apologize right now, George Strait. Go ahead. Apologize for saying that, or I'm going to go ahead and have to take you out of this here live. Thank you for everything you do for me and the help you offer every day to help me find a path financially. Nice. Now that's nice. See, Amy Lou? Just learn price action. Oh, nice. There's our pullback. This is our pullback before our market open. George, you have less than a minute. If you do not apologize within a minute, George, you're getting kicked out of here. Am I clear? George Strait. You only make safety trades and they make profit. Thanks, Fidge. I asked for everyone's prayers for my brother. Richard suffered. Oh, prayers for Rich. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Ken, praying for Ken. Please, everyone, just take a sec. We'll get back to trading here in a second. Pray for Ken's brother. Had a heart attack over the weekend. Wow. Oh, well, prayers for his brother. Okay. Good morning, Ace Bullet. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Hijab Queen. Welcome to the show. Good morning, Joe Biga. Good morning, Rev. All right. Well, we're going to go ahead. George, you had your chance. If you do not apologize in the next 10 seconds, you're going to be put in timeout. He implies that I'm not showing my trades. 3 minutes to market open. Oh, this is a perfect pullback. Hold on. Let's make some money real quick. 30-second buy stop, 30-second. It's a sell stop to the 1 minute, sell stop to the 1 minute, sell stop to the 1 minute, 5-minute buy. I would never play a sell. Do the 5-minute buy on NAS. Do the 5-minute buy stop on NAS. This is great, though they pulled back. They actually listened to me. This is fucking awesome. This is NAS, and this is NQ. Yeah, NQ, same thing. NQ, buy stop, 5-minute NQ, 1 buy stop NAS 5 minute, buy stop SPX 5 minute. Let it keep falling down. This is great. Boy, you just got a blessing this morning. This is a blessing from God right here. We got a pull down at the open. Just follow it down. By follow it down, you can wait for the 1 seconds to turn green, and then you can take your buys. I'm just setting this up so you guys can hear a whole bunch of great noises. This is great. Follow it down. Keep following it down. This is a blast. I don't know our higher time frames. I'm assuming we're still okay on those, but I'll check those out in a minute. Whether this goes up by 10:30 today or 2:30 today, up it will go. 5 minute buy stop right here. And then as soon as I'm done with this, George, if I don't see an apology, you're out. I'm not dealing with you this morning. You're not going to imply negative and not apologize for that. Get the fuck out of here. I hope I'm clear that I'm not showing my trades. Get the fuck out of here. People just can't take the fucking truth. Can't take the fucking truth. They hit you over the fucking head every day with it, George. Every fucking day I'm on here. I swear to God, dumbass fucking people.
I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning. Morning, Adam. Morning, Brian. Morning, MC. 1 minute to market open. 1 minute to market open. Okay, where's fucking... Let me go over here. There you go. And let me go over to here. And let me go over to here. And put user in timeout. There you go. See you, George. Have a good life. Fucking cock-sucking, ungrateful ass. I swear to God, people in this fucking world. And I have to deal with them. Nope, I don't. We put him in his father's hands, Ken. Oh, he did apologize? Fuck. Market open, market open. Jesus. I can't even fucking do my stuff. Who's this Jared clown? Oh, hell. Whatever. I don't care. All right. Anyways, you're in profit. Take profit on your US 30 buys. You're in the money. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on US 30 buys, 5 minute buys. Clearly see that. You're in the money on the YM buys. You're in the money on the YM buys. Let's see NAS. Come on. NAS, you're in the money on the NAS buys. Look at this shit. You're in the money on NQ buys. You're in the money on SPX buys. Look at it. You just all, oh my God. Oh my God. You all just made money on everything. Come on. Come on. Good morning, Ace Bullet. Good morning, Jay. You're in the money on every damn thing I just called. Everything is just perfect. What the fuck? Wow, that's crazy. Let me see the 1 second. You're in the money on US 30. This is crazy. I can't even fucking watch my trades, and yet they're making money. I'm over here arguing with people, getting things straight, and all we do is make money. I can't even see what I'm doing, and we made... Look at the number of pips you just made on US 30. You just made 80 pips, 70 pips. You just made 700 ticks on US 30. Wow. You said George Strait. That's funny. I don't care. I'm not dealing with him. I'm just not. I'm not dealing with any negative people on my show. I don't have to. I'm not doing it. If you want to be here, sure, be here. If you don't want to be here, you don't say anything negative. He's implying I'm not showing my fucking trades after I trade live with you guys every fucking day. Every fucking day I trade live with you. And he's implying that I had trades underneath here I wasn't showing. He deserves a fucking timeout. Get the fuck out of here. All I do is transparency. All I do is show you every trade I ever make. All I do is show you every trade I tell you what to do. What a clown. Get the fuck out of here. He deserves a timeout. Fuck out of here. Now, back to the prayers. How can you cuss and say prayers? Because I'm not a perfect Christian. If you are, great for you. I'm not. Do I still have a temper? Fuck yeah, I do. Did Jesus have a temper and throw people out of the church? Yeah, he did. Out of the synagogues when they were fucking using the Father's place for gambling and selling of goods and stuff. He flipped over tables. Yeah, he did. Fuck out of here. All right. So hopefully some of you caught that. Jesus. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and go. I have to run. This is a quick little thing. I would go ahead and hold out. Yes, it's a dip. Yes, it's a sell. Yes, it's going to go down. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Get the fuck out of here. 5-minute buy stop. All three indices. You've already made money. You should be out of the trades. Here's your take profits again. 42,794. Take profit 1 was already hit. Take profit 2 was already hit. I would get right back in again when you see your buy stops. 42,775. Make sure you can wait. You can wait for these to turn. Let me see how they're turning green. You see how NAS's 1 seconds are turning green. Watch. Just sit here and wait. We're in zero rush. Just take your time. 1 second to it. 5-second blue line. Buy 5-second blue line. NAS to the blue line right here. Watch. NQ1. Buy stop to the blue line. NQ1. 5-second blue line right here. Just watch. And that's what it'll go. It's no big deal. Just follow it up. Take your time. Wait for all of the... Here, I'll show you what to do. Let me just show you. Right here. These 1 seconds will all turn green. Wait for the US 30 and that like this, and then play the SPXs. If you don't want to do that, wait for the 5 seconds to flip and maybe make the SPX turn and the US turn, then play your NASs right inside of there. That's how I would look at it. Wait for that to happen. When you wait for this exact setup to happen, and I think we're up to like 50 or 75 of you that have it. Matter of fact, I should take away anything George has. If he has the free access to that, bullshit on that crap. I'm not here to play around. I'm not here to pussyfoot around. Fuck out of here. Good morning, Taraya. Good morning, Kim. All right, so you made money on all your trades, all your opens. You can clearly see there's buy stops on the 3-minute. There's buy stops. Look, the BS is the buy stops 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. You're welcome, Techman. All right. Got to run. God bless you all. Hope you all have a great morning. I'll talk to you all later. Swear to God, getting rid of TikTok first. All right. Now, fuck George and fuck him saying that. The only reason it absolutely even annoyed, because the other guy came on there talking shit, but he's a dumbass, didn't know any better. George knows better than say something like that. Fuck that, George. Fuck you, George. You need to fucking apologize. Fuck out of here. Imply shit. Oh, looks like you have trades underneath there. Go fuck yourself. How about that, George? Is that clear? Anywho, God bless you all. Everybody have a great day. Fucking, I would have stayed on longer, but fuck him. I don't need to be here. Fuck out of here. Expect better from you next time, George. All right. God bless. Talk to y'all later. Fuck out of here. I swear to God, ungrateful ass motherfucking people in this fucking world. I don't have to fucking be here. The